Hello everyone, and welcome back to Dazon Technologies. Today, we have an exciting and crucial topic on our agenda. How to find rankable keywords for your Google business profile. If you are a business owner looking to boost your online presence, you are in the right place. Let's dive in. Section 1. Why rankable keywords matter. Before we jump into the nitty-gritty, let's understand why rankable keywords are the backbone of a successful Google business profile. These keywords determine where your business appears in search results, making them essential for attracting potential customers. Section 2. Understanding your audience. To find the perfect keywords, you first need to understand your audience. Who are your customers, and what are they searching for? Conducting thorough market research is the key to unlocking this information. Section 3. Tools of the trade. Now, let's explore the tools that can make keyword research a breeze. From Google Keyword Planner to SEMrush, we'll guide you through the best platforms to discover high-ranking keywords tailored to your business. Section 4. Crafting a killer keyword strategy. It's not just about finding keywords, it's about strategically using them. Learn how to incorporate your keywords seamlessly into your Google business profile to outshine your competitors. Section 5. Monitoring and adapting. Once your keywords are in play, the journey doesn't end. We'll show you how to monitor their performance and adapt your strategy based on the ever-evolving landscape of online searches. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on finding rankable keywords for your Google business profile. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more insightful content. Remember, the right keywords can unlock the door to online success. Connect us via social media. Contact us via call or website. Thanks for joining us today.